have to have an old Porsche just for the sound. It's, I would say that is the great thing for me. I can hear, I know when an old Porsche comes, I hear it immediately because my hearing capacity is pretty good yet. It's amazing, yeah, it's the sound. The sound.
Welcome to the last episode of Jackie's baby. We're out test running, actually enjoying it. Yeah, it's part of our work to do that, make sure everything works. And it's summer, it's just lovely. I'll miss this car for sure. One of those historical cars. It's just not a Porsche Targa, it's the first sold Targa. And it's the first sold Porsche with Fuchs wheels. So yeah, this car is great. Sounds good, drives good. So where are we now? We are just driving around. I've been spending a couple of days with this lovely car. I will take off the top a little later. The top is actually quite special. It doesn't look like the normal top. It's different in the inside. These ones are covered, and the first one had this stuff here. Then it got perforated in the other car. But yeah, that's the way it should look in a very, very early Targa. So, dum bum bum. Take this one off. Ow. Today's Targa is easier. Then you just push the bottom. This is the Targa. We have a really good picture of this when the Targa was new. This one is a bit different on the early ones. It's vinyl here and vinyl there. Yeah, the material is different. They don't have this big grain material yet. It came later. I put it there. This is the same. Look at this. It's almost the same vinyl like on the inside of the car. Targa bar is different. The very, very first prototype has this one. It's a chrome thing, which is like a continuous, how you call it, trim is continuing here, and it goes on there. Same on the other side. I think on car already on 35 it's different. You have a pressed stainless steel piece which goes around the corner. Probably because it's too expensive to do this one, so they made a cheaper one, which also looks okay. So we have nice wheels, Fuchs 4.5 wheels. Brakes are done, everything is done here. Chassis is done. It's really nice. Drive up. It drives like a go-kart. You have the funny 65. These ones. It's from since probably this car was built on a 65 from the beginning. At least the engine shows that. Car looks damn good actually. Red and nice, polo red. 4 screw horn grills like the early cars, together with H1s. With I think it's like James Bond lights because they're called 007, which is absolutely the first ones. Yeah, we put. Jackie wanted to have his Hella fog lights here, so we put them back. We have now also the covers, so we can take them away, but it's like part of history. This is probably the first car with H1 as well, because it was in the S package. Original badge, not too shiny, just nice. It has S brakes, it has Connie S suspension. Let's take a look under the hood. Oh, yeah, I always drive around with the fire extinguisher. Look at this. Can you see it? It's the original plate. 500,006 911S. Not all of these cars were S marked, but this one is. That's probably the S line. The whole stuff here is new. On the 65 cars it looked different. You had this one inside there. Everything looks good. You have the extra cover and the bag for a cover. You have the original toolkit. This one will actually take out later, but when we do test runs we always drive it like this. You have a nice 65 marked this one, and you can almost imagine why it's not 66, because most of the stuff in the date coded on this car are like 60, end of 65. So you have the nice original jack here, lovely patina on this one, and that's it. Yeah, put this one back, prepare for driving. Let's take a look at the on an early car the wiper should be on that side. This is probably the first car, and it was used in Varsovia with wipers which came out in 67, 68, which are on this side. We see it under there. We also have picture from the second owner and shows that the wipers are here. That's the old mirror. Here's Jackie's how you call it, masket. It has the waffle style old sun visors, and they are. We had a lot of discussion what color they should be, if they were painted or not. It should be black because you have black liners, sun liner here, or headliner. Yeah. All the gauges are cosmetically looks like it should be like the old. This car, like it should give a. The idea with this is to keep everything original, and we managed to do that. And I think the car looks like it's a time warp. It's like, look at the seats, you know. These original seats were taken out 66 when a car was actually it was taken out in Scania Vabis in Sweden in 66 and put in storage because another car needed Recaro. So I love the shape of them. This one's a little bit down, but there's not a single scratch on them. They're exactly like they should be. The steering wheel, it's a leather steering wheel with the old, this one, how you call it, bat wing, or how you call it. It's probably the first car with this trim, with the stainless or aluminium trim. If you look at the back, we have 65 years back seat. Already in prototype number 6 they were different, they were newer. In the 7, sorry. So yeah, look at the door pockets are great. You have the chassis number here, same 50,006, and the Reuter color. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this actually. I'm actually really happy. Quite happy. Oh, let's take a look at the engine. As we have told before, this engine is made in 65. Number of the engine is like 700, so it was probably connected to the car which they built the Targa on. The really ugly magnesium fans. You have the Solex 40. 6 of them is in here in the back. Bendix fuel pump, double Pierburg. Yeah, it looks ugly, but that's the way it should be. Correct. This, yeah. This engine, it really runs like a clock. We fixed all the oil leaks. We fixed the carburetor. We actually rebuilt the carburetors a bit different than they were stock. We make them better. We seal them up so they actually perform almost better than the new ones. They were. Valves are already set, so now it's ready for Jackie to drive. We put the Swedish license plate on, and yeah, Jackie's baby is ready. We will have Jackie and Thomas coming in here in like 30 minutes. Car is ready, car is test drive, car has made, we already did some photo shoots, already driving a lot with this, everything works like it should, everything looks like it should. Oh, we're quite happy. Let's hope now that Jackie is happy, and let's hope that Thomas is happy, because they're quite picky as I am. So let's see if we can get some good faces when they are coming, and I'll cover it up and it's open like a present for them. Yeah. Good. They're here now, so let's see. I'll go and meet them. They are coming now, waiting outside here. Ni som kom och skulle kolla på Saaben, va?
Ja, precis. Exakt.
Ja, vad bra.
Det gör det bara.
Kom in, kul att se er.
Hej.
Tjena. Vi målar en svart och vit istället.
Ja, exakt. Ja.
Visst blev den bra?
Ja.
So, are you ready?
Yes.
Now there should be
Wow.
this orchestra.
Gorgeous.
Otroligt fint.
Yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Fint.
2 years of work.
Yeah, 2 years, yeah. Time goes by very quick, but it's fantastic, really. We had great expectations.
You have to look inside also.
Yeah, we will. But I would say it looks great.
Good.
Yeah,
Good.
top of the top,
Top of the top.
as we had expected.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. So what
Okay.
does Thomas say?
Nice. Real good.
Wow.
Mumma.
Mumma.
Mumma, ja.
The originality in this
Yeah,
car
yeah.
is amazing.
Yeah. I mean, it's perfect.
Ooh. Ah. Nice.
There's the cover.
Yes.
Here's the correct toolkit. Here's the extra wheel and the jack.
Yeah.
Just like it should be from the factory.
Longing for the sound.
Yeah, let's go for a drive.
Yeah.
It jumps immediately, starts perfectly.
The song is like music. It's something for Spotify, I think.
So Jackie, go out for a test run. Looks good. Lovely weather.
There is something about a Porsche. There is the moment you'll know you want one. And there is the moment you'll first own one. Sometimes it takes years or even decades between those two moments. Years full of passion, hard work, and determination, all driven by a single dream. A dream of flying through corners while engine is rumbling in the back and the smell of fresh petrol is flowing in the air. A dream of holding the steering wheel and feeling the car so connected to you, everything else just fades away. A dream of 1,000 kilometers that feel no longer than one. And if after all those kilometers, you'll start to wonder, what's next? Remember, there is always room for another Porsche.
Yeah. This project was taking over a year, 1.5. And it's really difficult to make all the filming, and you need to film in the right moment, like, oh, this is ready, oh, we discussed this, we found that one, oh, we found that picture, we got this one, oh, it's always something. We do our best to make as good as possible, but it's a lot of work to do this, and I hope you like it, enjoy it. Keep Porscheing. Subscribe. Subscribe. Aye.